What's up everybody, this is Yair and today I'm gonna draw future Trunks. But before I start with the drawing, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with lots of productive classes, whether it's fine art, illustration, design or animation. Now, it's for people who want to explore, to upgrade their skills, to learn some new skills, and it's for beginners and pros as well. As for the classes, they can fit to your skill level, and most classes are under 1 hour, so it can fit to your schedule. Now, they also have real-life classes, which are classes that teach you how to be more productive, how to explore your creativity. For example, one class that I used, it's called Productivity Habits That Stick Using Time Theming. That's by Mike Vardy. Basically, he teaches you how to build a framework, how to understand what you really want to achieve, and basically how to work smarter to achieve that goal. Now, in addition to that, of course, they have classes on Copic markers, on color pencils, how to sketch, how to ink, how to draw, of course, understanding anatomy, and much more. The classes are really easy to use. You can take notes, you can jump from one subject to the other, and you get all of that for $10 a month. And they're always launching new premium classes. I might do one as well, we'll see about that. But the best part is Skillshare are very generous, and the first 1,000 people to click the link in the description box will get a trial of Skillshare premium membership. So make sure to click that link and support them because they support me. So thanks a lot for Skillshare for sponsoring this video. And now, without further ado, let's get down to business, enjoy the process, and stick with me till the end of the video. Here goes. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know, but this was the first time I drew future Trunks in his base form. This was back in 2016. It's been 4 years since then, and I kept working on my skills, on developing my skills, and now I'm gonna showcase my progress. Check, check, 1, 2, check, 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 1, 2. And we are done, everybody. So, let's take a look at the final result. Okay, so as you can see, I drew Trunks, future Trunks, specifically from the movie BoJack Unbound, although it can be from the Broly movie as well. It's actually been a long time since I drew Trunks in his basic form. And come on, you gotta respect that glorious looking hair. As you can see, I used some blue and some purple lighting. I chose the colors that fit Trunks' outfit, his hair, and just that overall feel. And of course, I splattered some of that ink. We got some white, purple, and blue ink. I think if we compare the two drawings, we can see that I've improved on my accuracy, on my inking, obviously the coloring. I can blend the colors much better now, of course the background as well. So I hope you guys can take inspiration from that and keep working on your skills, keep improving, and know it's gonna take time, but if you're consistent you will see result. Now I actually made this drawing as a gift to my buddy Idan Knafo, aka Art of Idan. Just wanted to show my gratitude because Idan taught me a lot about commissions, about coloring backgrounds, and overall is just an amazing artist and a very cool guy. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description box to Idan's Instagram page. Make sure to follow him if you haven't already. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every weekend. So that's it for today. Again, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video, so don't forget to click the link in the description box. And of course, thanks a lot for you, for watching, for commenting. I appreciate you all. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace!